Hi everybody. About a month ago I started on another scenery project here on the peninsula, and both parts of it, this side, which is the Jamestown, which represents Topeka, Kansas side, is all scenic. The retaining wall is in position. I even actually had room to put a road behind the buildings, which I did not have before putting the retaining wall back there. So this is all completed now, other than the fascia, which I will paint, and I have to add some more on the other side, but I'll do that probably in the fall. I also did a scenery up here on the upper level. There may be a few touch-ups here and there, but this side I'm going to call complete. So we'll now move over to the other side and I'll show you that one. I don't know if you remember, but the wall was done about here and everything is now completed. The thing that held me up for a few days was this turnout was broke. The drawbar broke off. Sometimes that's a problem with Picos. That's a third one out of 98 turnouts, so I don't feel too bad. So it just took a few days to get it. You can see the retaining wall. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5 sections. And there's the fake tunnel. It goes in, maybe 2.5 inches, something like that. So just enough to make it look like it's a real tunnel. So I put everything back the way it was. And this station here is loosely modeled and compressed. I call it San Angela, which represents Lawrence, Kansas. So you can see the scenery that's been added, the wall, and I did all the way down to these buildings down in here. This section of buildings are the workers over there at the plant. This is, I'll call it company housing, and this is probably the president of the company, because his has got a nice house. And I did finish the upper level, as you can see. So other than the fascia, which will be cut when it's cooler here in Texas. It's too hot to cut outside right now. So, but anyway, after about a month, I declare this overall project done. Also, I mentioned in a bunch of my shorts that I had to move the trains back to this staging yard A, because I had to remove all the trains from both staging yards, the ones on the other side as well, while I was working on the scenery. Due to the plaster, we didn't want to drop it on the cars or the engines. So, but anyway, I'm going to declare this project done for now. Bye.